You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce the name of the Serbian tennis player. I'm fed up of hearing it mispronounced, so make sure to stay tuned if you want to learn more names from tennis. I've got tons more for you. So, Serbian pronunciation, how it's said in Serbia. Laslo Djere. It's actually pretty straightforward. Laslo Djere. Therefore, in English, you can simply say it as Laslo Djere. It's easy, and now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.